As you might expect, we'll be making forward-looking statements about our business and financial performance during the course of this presentation. Those statements are subject to risks and uncertainties that are described in our filings with the SEC. Please refer to the full text of the forward-looking statement slide for further information. We ask that you refrain from audio or video recording or rebroadcasting any of the content. Now sit back and enjoy the show.
Hello, Splunk partners. I'm Brooke Cunningham. I'm responsible for global partner marketing and experience at Splunk, and I am delighted to be your host for our first dedicated partner feature session at .conf, driving customer success together with partners. Thank you for all of your contributions to Splunk, our customers, and our continued growth, as well as supporting .conf as we continue to navigate in this increasingly virtual world. I'm thrilled to say that we'll be joined by Teresa Carlson, our President and Chief Growth Officer, as well as Bill Hustad, our VP of Channel and Alliances Ecosystem. During our time together, we'll cover some exciting partner announcements and opportunities for all of you to leverage. We'll also share more details about the all-new Splunk Partnerverse program that you heard about yesterday in the keynotes. And finally, we'll point you to all the great materials and resources that you and your teams can access today to accelerate your Splunk practices and expertise. With that, I'd like to welcome our Splunk President and Chief Growth Officer, Teresa Carlson.
Thank you, Brooke. And thank you to all of our partners joining us here today. As Brooke said, I'm Splunk's President and Chief Growth Officer, and I lead all of Splunk's go-to-market efforts to support our customers and our partners. And if you've met me, and I know many of you watching here today have, you know my wholehearted belief that partners are a key driver to our customer success. When I was at Amazon Web Services and Microsoft, I saw how organizations around the world benefited from specialized support and expertise. I also recognized early on that businesses like Splunk not only rely on partners to help customers succeed, but they can also amplify partner success with customers. Simply put, you are an integral part of helping us reach our vision and our mission. We're all one team, and you'll see today that we love to showcase the stories about our teamwork with partners and the meaningful value to help our customers bring those stories to life. As I said in my keynote yesterday, I want to hear from you and about how you're helping our customers achieve their outcomes. Partners are actually engaged in a majority of the work that we do here at Splunk with our customers to transform their businesses. And you continue to be the key driver of their success. And you're helping Splunk's customers transform into a rapidly changing world of digital. We know that organizations have adapted fast over the last 18 months. And that cloud has enabled such transformation to happen more than 20 times faster than executives ever thought was possible. In the case of remote working, solutions that would have taken years to implement were stood up in just days. And within the Fortune 500 alone, there's an estimated $1 trillion of value that customers can realize by leveraging the power of cloud. And you can help them take advantage of doing this. And as I said yesterday in the keynote, the most successful companies have a data foundation for their cloud strategies. And thousands of organizations are choosing Splunk to be the data foundation for their cloud journey. And if you believe in the power of data to support cloud transformation, you're in the right place at the right time. Let's dive into how we can support customers on their cloud journey together. First, to enable cloud adoption, our two cloud providers, AWS and Google Cloud Platform, have programs and opportunities for you to leverage to help your customers move to the cloud even faster. Let's hear more from the joint value that cloud providers like AWS, coupled with Splunk, deliver for you and for our customers jointly.
I couldn't think of a better partner to work with than Splunk. They give us really good input And they're not just adopting our features, but they help us design those features. And I think that's what really differentiates Splunk from a lot of our other partners. They'll really take the time and effort to go through what we're trying to do and try to figure out how to make it better, not only just for Splunk, but for our joint customers. But what really excites me the most about the partnership with Splunk is how Splunk has really rounded out their technology portfolio. And they've grown from just a SIEM provider to adding all kinds of other aspects of security, observability, and intelligence to their portfolio. The partnership that we have with Splunk helps our mutual customers in a couple different ways. Splunk has a number of integrations with a lot of other AWS partners. So you can pull in information from Palo Alto Networks and other network devices like an F5 device. Our customers use a lot of these different technologies in unison. And because Splunk has built a library of integrations so that you can actually pull information off those devices while running on AWS, it helps our customers get a very holistic view of what's actually going on within their environment. That really helps them troubleshoot things when they need to figure out what's going on, or if they're maybe going to make some changes, they can really understand the impact of those changes to their environment. One of the biggest challenges that we see when people migrate to the cloud is how do you operate in that hybrid state? And that's where Splunk is really one of our best partners, because they have a very strong relationship and solution for our customers and what they were doing with their old environments, but they also have solutions that they built that are customized specifically for AWS. And they're able to provide that bridging aspect as our customers are migrating to AWS. And that ultimately allows them to move faster. So they don't have to have one system that they can do their observability and analysis on-prem and then yet have a different system up on AWS. Those customers can instead use Splunk for both those environments, and that again benefits our customers as they migrate to AWS. Our partnership with Splunk helps our mutual partners in a couple different ways. One of the things that we've really embraced from AWS Marketplace is the concept of working with consulting partners. And these could be software resellers that are just reselling Splunk. It could be a value-added reseller that might be doing some implementation services around Splunk, or it could be a system integrator that's actually going and doing that implementation of Splunk, but using Marketplace. And so we've added the ability to add consulting partners into the mix using AWS Marketplace through a feature that we call Consulting Partner Private Offers. Splunk was actually one of our innovation partners for Consulting Partner Private Offers, and it's been one of our bigger successes. And this has really allowed us to work with our joint partners in the field that are doing the resale of a technology like Splunk, but want to leverage AWS Marketplace, but to be able to still have that partner come into the mix and be able to participate in that subscription going through AWS Marketplace. So it's been a really good experience with them being in Channel Partner Private Offers, and we think it's going to be a very successful program moving forward. Splunk is very customer obsessed, and that really provides great alignment in terms of what our joint objectives are. We continue to co-innovate with Splunk, which is ultimately going to benefit our customers and our joint partners.
Thank you to Chris and the AWS Marketplace team for their outstanding collaboration and applying our combined power to help our customers. Now next, let's hear from another cloud provider partner, Google Cloud Platform.
We've been proudly partnering with Splunk since May 2020 to really take that powerful combination of Google Cloud's intelligent, secure, and trusted infrastructure and Splunk's data to everything platform, and allowing organizations from across the world to take data into doing. Our partnership brings customers to one place to import data, any size, any source, aggregating it and analyzing and bringing insights, and looking for that automated ability to take action from that data. Splunk Cloud on Google Cloud gives customers the benefit of not only having that Google Cloud native architecture that supports hybrid and multi-cloud environments, it also has the benefit of the artificial intelligence and machine learning embedded in everything that we do, taking advantage of this in everything from operations all the way through to industry solutions. Today we are seeing many of the Fortune 500 companies benefiting from Splunk on Google Cloud across the globe and in many industries, whether it's retail or financial services or other industries. A recent example of this was with a large European retailer with over 1,000 employees. They were lacking the insight that they needed during an upgrade of their point of sale or POS systems, which had over 10,000 registers. With Google Cloud and Splunk, the customer was able to monitor their in-store registers. They expanded their ingestion of data across their stores, including additional point-of-sale or POS registers, also scale registers, and at the same time their in-store mobile shopping devices. They were able to take that and drive application analytics across a highly distributed store infrastructure and multi-cloud environment. In addition to bringing business value to customers, together we help our system integrators or the ecosystem as a whole to expand on their very trusted relationships with customers. Combining that power of Google Cloud practices or solutions and that enterprise scale Splunk deployments with the vertical expertise to deliver those innovative and intelligent industry solutions of Splunk on Google Cloud. Google Cloud continues to invest heavily in the broader partner ecosystem. Our Partner Advantage program allows, whether it's technology partners, ISVs, or system integrators, to take advantage of a number of benefits, whether it's to support marketing or sales, to accelerate their go-to-market opportunity, delivering services with their Splunk and Google Cloud solutions. We look forward to working with you, our system integrators, and the ecosystem as a whole to bring Splunk on Google Cloud across the world to many industries.
Thank you to the full technology ecosystem team at Google Cloud Platform. I love to hear Bronwyn talk about the marketing and sales benefits offered through this amazing and strategic partnership. My ask of you is to leverage these partnerships. I'm excited about our opportunity to innovate together and to collaborate to help customers on their multi-cloud and hybrid cloud journeys. You can now support your customers with your implementation, sales, or consulting services through marketplaces. And you can take advantage of the marketing and sales benefits designed to help you accelerate your go-to-market success. Our cloud providers are just the beginning of where we're unlocking value for all of you to continue expanding your Splunk business. And every day we're uncovering new use cases and customer opportunities and creating a bigger pie through new and expanded strategic partnerships. One example is SAP. Splunk and SAP's strategic partnership provides you with new customer and cloud-centric solutions to bring to your customers. It's opening up all those SAP landscapes and data. With around 6,000 S4 HANA ERP customers in 2017, SAP has almost tripled their cloud customer base to 17,000 in 2021, and this is just the beginning. The cloud business is the model of the future, and with SAP's almost 450,000 customers, you'll see a lot of movement over the next 5 to 10 years. And 77% of the world's revenue transactions touch an SAP system. All that customer opportunity, wow. And now with Splunk, you have the ability to monitor and secure those SAP environments, whether they're on-prem or in the cloud. And this is an opportunity for you to seize right now. Let's hear more from Abhay Kumar, the SVP of the SAP Partner Ecosystem, responsible for managing strategic partnerships and driving new business models across the SAP Partner Ecosystem.
SAP and Splunk have been partnered for a number of years. We use each other's technology, and we have come together and built technologies together, which allows our customer to run their systems in a much more efficient way. What excites me the most about the partnership with Splunk is SAP is focused on bringing our customers to the cloud. We have launched a solution called Rise with SAP that allows our customers to move to the cloud. We have also given customers the option to move to the cloud of their choice on their own. But in those cases, the customers are looking for tools and technologies that allows them to efficiently run SAP system on the cloud of their choice. By working together with Splunk, we have built those technologies that allows customers to have choice of their cloud provider. The key elements of partnership between SAP and Splunk is really centered around the fact that we want to make sure we safeguard our customers' journey to the cloud. We actually help our customers protect their investment into the technology that they have bought from SAP and Splunk. I think as we move forward with our partnerships, there'll be many more opportunities as the market evolves to newer technologies, newer ways to drive innovation, and newer ways to meet our customer requirements. There is tremendous opportunities in the market. The customers are willing and eager to move to the cloud. They're looking for those innovations, those creativity that allows us to help them move to the cloud in a safeguarded way. The opportunity is immense to innovate with SAP, with Splunk, where we can build those last mile execution aspects in our solution that helps customers get the benefit of the technology that exists today. So those kind of opportunities is what allows our partners to further augment what SAP and Splunk have done together and take that solution to even a higher level, meeting those customer requirements which are so unique. And with the help of our broad partner ecosystem, we can deliver that. And that's the promise of SAP and Splunk coming together.
Thank you, Abe, and the rest of the talented SAP team. So again, I encourage you all to leverage those new opportunities and add them to your go-to-market toolkit. And keep in mind, this is just the beginning. I've been blown away by the innovations and partnerships that have emerged just in the 6 months that I've been here at Splunk. We have amazing joint development in the works with new and exciting partners like Intel. Splunk and Intel share a vision for unleashing the power of data by leveraging Splunk's data platform across every Intel-based architecture from the edge to the cloud. With more than 83% of the world's cloud instances powered by Intel technology, Intel enables customers to achieve faster insights and greater deployment flexibility at lower cost. Our partnership with Intel delivers a high-performance data innovation engine to help you accelerate the development of new solutions across infrastructure and all your business operations. So now let's talk about our collaboration with Salesforce. Splunk seamlessly connects with the Salesforce Customer 360 platform. And together, we're providing organizations with real-time visibility into internal and external threats and protecting sensitive data with the most comprehensive integration with Salesforce monitoring data. And lastly, BlueVoyant, a partner you've heard about in my keynote yesterday, completely re-architected their managed security offering on Splunk Cloud because, as they put it, only Splunk can deliver a truly hybrid offering for their customers. Splunk Cloud is the best way for you to realize speed, scale, and efficiency so you can focus on the most critical outcomes for your customers and grow your business. There are so many more of these examples. I shared this to encourage you to innovate with us. Let's go create even more value for our customers. Now, I also want to talk about what we're doing for all of you. We've heard a lot of your feedback, and I'm glad that you're not shy. We've heard you want Splunk to make it easier and faster for you to enable your teams, give you more access and tools to configure Splunk Cloud for your customers, have more marketing support to differentiate and amplify yourself in the marketplace, and showcase all your special skills and expertise to customers in the cloud for migration, security, and all areas of observability. And last but not least, we've heard that you need a single destination to access more robust Splunk programs and to build and expand your Splunk practices. All of this is why rethinking how we support and engage all of you with our partner program became one of my highest priorities when I joined Splunk. The result? The Splunk Partnerverse. As I shared in my keynote, I'm so excited to announce the Splunk Partnerverse, our reimagined partner program that provides you all our Splunk partners with the foundational supplies, programs, and incentives you need to accelerate the time to customer value. Why Splunk Partnerverse? We want to partner with you to explore new frontiers of customer value and expand beyond our current partner network to identify new solutions and use cases where customers need help. We aim for this program to be an inspiration for you to keep discovering new areas of value to you and our customers. And specifically, this program is built to enable you to take advantage of the benefits of Splunk Cloud. There are a lot more updates ahead as we roll this program out to you early next year. You have my commitment to make this successful. We'll keep listening and acting on your feedback so we can iterate, improve, and innovate together. And then we can't wait to tell our success stories to you in the media too. Now I'm going to hand it over to Bill Hustad, our VP of Alliances and Channel Ecosystems, to tell you more details about the new program. Bill, over to you.
Thanks, Teresa. Hello, partners. So very nice to share the stage with you, Teresa, as we unveil a new direction in how we work with, enable, and drive meaningful results for our joint customers through all of you, our partners. I'm Bill Hustad, and for those of you I have not met yet, I lead our global partner organization for Splunk. It's nice to be here together virtually after I last connected with you during our Global Partner Summit last March. As I shared there, it has been a goal of mine to ensure we have clarity in how partners can build businesses on Splunk. Our program is the playbook to do so, how to build and the give and gets, and the ability to have clarity in working with Splunk. I and the entire partner team are thrilled to announce Splunk Partnerverse program. Now, let's take off and let our journey begin. Let's start with design. Any good space mission starts with a plan. As Teresa shared, not only did we get feedback from all of you, but we have listened. This feedback has been and will be our compass. We've gathered from partner advisory councils, but also surveys and focused partner interviews. Not only across your various go-to-market motions, like service integrators and managed service providers, for example, but also across all our different theaters of operation. Additionally, we looked across the market, what others are doing, and did partner program benchmarking and reviewed the best practices in the industry. It's a big universe out there, and be confident that the Splunk Partnerverse will be a great place to be. This year is our workup year for the launch, and we have not hesitated in making progress to support your efforts. And of course, in support of a lot of market drivers as well. And in case you didn't know, Splunk has been on its transformation journey to cloud, and so have your businesses and your customers. We've seen huge multiples of growth across all your theaters in cloud revenues. Your customers are migrating, leveraging, and finding huge value in your cloud solutions. Here are a couple elements we've already added this year. Partner referrals. These have been available since June of this year, and referrals give you the ability to receive a one-time referral fee when you pass Splunk a new opportunity that results in a closed deal. There are two types. The Finder referral is available to partners of all types and levels. Partners can receive a 3% fee for any new deals Splunk closes that are found and passed to Splunk. The Facilitator referral is for qualified Premier and Elite selling and managed partners who pass Splunk an opportunity where you have already had significant technical involvement through specific activities like proof of concepts or professional services engagement, but are just not able to transact. For these referrals, partners can receive 8% fee when Splunk closes the deal. We also have heard loud and clear that you want more alignment with Splunk field teams and our objectives. With that in mind, in August, we introduced the Speed to Cloud or Light Speed to Cloud initiative for partners. This process helps you with your customers' migration of existing on-premises capacity to Splunk Cloud, all before the customer's next renewal. For opportunities that meet specific deal requirements, you will enjoy prioritized assistance from Splunk and expedited turnaround times on quote requests. In addition, and this is very important, your customers can receive credit for the remaining contract value. Now, I'm excited to share more about the new Splunk Partnerverse program with you, what's in store for the Reimagined program. With the acceleration of your customers to the cloud, combined with Splunk's own business transformation, we heard from you that you needed more and faster access to enablement and resources from Splunk, so you can be better equipped to move customers to the cloud. We designed this new partner program for this cloud and hybrid world, allowing you to skill up quickly, validate your expertise, differentiate your offerings to the market, and ultimately deliver customer success. Our goal is to provide a simplified approach and a way for all of our valuable partners to choose what works best for your business, focusing on what you need to make your customers successful every step of the way. In addition, we are focused on continuing to improve your ease of doing business with Splunk, such as simplifying our agreements with a simple click-through foundation agreement, plus an easy add-on amendment process as you expand your business motions with Splunk. You'll also see us expanding our benefits for you. These will be rolled out over the next year and will be targeted at enabling your cloud capabilities with expanded Splunk Cloud access to build and demo Splunk Cloud, plus a broader set of rebates that reward you across the customer journey and lifecycle with Splunk. We will expand marketing support, which I'll come back to a bit later in the session, and also be providing clearer and faster enablement pathways for you to skill up with your teams. For example, I'm very pleased to share our new partner badges. Splunk will be recognizing your capabilities and featuring your accomplishments through a badging system, shown here. With badges, you'll be able to better validate your technical expertise, demonstrate core competencies, and showcase proven customer success to differentiate yourselves in the marketplace. Expanding beyond accreditations and certifications that are earned by individuals, these are badges that are earned at the company level to highlight what makes your organization special to your customers. You'll be able to earn badges that are composed of clear enablement and validation pathways. For now, we are focusing on a set of foundational badges that can expand over time. Badges concentrate on a partner's motions. That is, ways you're doing business with Splunk, industry expertise, Splunk services, and specialization. Looking at the first badge type in a bit more detail, a partner motion badge will recognize the ways that you're engaging with your customers. This is a shift from our previous routes to market categories because it recognizes you in a more flexible way and reflects how you engage with your customers. In the new Splunk Partnerverse program, we are concentrating on specific motions to support how you're building your businesses: selling, managing, building, and advising with Splunk. You can concentrate on one, a few, or all of the motions. As an example, the Manager badge will highlight those of you and whose organizations have been incredibly successful in managing cloud environments, demonstrated by a partner that has specific accredited and certified individuals on staff, building a sample cloud reference architecture, closing managed deals, and showcasing customer success examples. With these new elements, we are still maintaining the foundations of the progression consistent with our existing partner tiers. The partner journey will start with enrolled and progress to associate, to premier, and to elite. But now you have more control over your path for that progression. As you engage with Splunk more across the motions and badges, you can progress to higher levels in the new program and enjoy the added benefits available at those higher levels. So, how do you prepare for progression in the new partner program? And how can you differentiate your capabilities and showcase them to customers? There are 3 things to focus on. First, badges. We want to engage with your organizations in at least one motion: sell, manage, build, or advise. In addition, we hope you'll engage in our industry or services or solution badges. For elite level partners, it will be a requirement to achieve at least one. Second, I want to talk about Partner Continuing Education Units, or CEUs. To make the enablement journey more engaging, Splunk will be measuring your organization's depth of skill via continuing education units. As your team members earn their accreditations and certifications each year, CEUs will be credited at the partner level. Knowing that better educated teams lead to stronger partners, CEUs will be one of the criteria used for partner progression to higher tiers in the program. And third, as part of the path to Premier and Elite, you'll provide validated references, white papers, case studies, or press releases to validate your customer engagements and success. This further validation is intended to differentiate your unique expertise and provide customers the ability to identify the right partner with the right expertise and the right offerings faster. And Splunk will expand your access to a broader set of benefits tied to your level of expertise, your demonstrated customer successes, as well as your contributions to Splunk. Plus, as mentioned before, you'll receive meaningful marketing support from Splunk to position your offerings and solutions. One example of a new benefit is elevating the presence of partners on Splunk.com to showcase you joint solutions and case studies through a more robust partner solutions catalog. This is a landing pad for customers, prospects, and our own direct sales force to discover and intersect with partners who can solve customer pain points. This visual gives you a sense of what we'll be building with your feedback and showcase your solutions, services, and customer successes. Plus, we'll also be investing in helping you produce more of those great customer story assets and tell them in press and in social media. While the program will officially launch in February, you can start engaging in select badge pathways this year to begin earning your first credentials. After .conf, you can access guides in the Splunk Partner Portal to prepare for the Partner Motion badges. Plus, you'll also be able to start badging on 3 badge pathways: Zero Trust, Cloud Migration Services, and Authorized Learning Partner Specialization. Security is top of mind for our customers, and the Zero Trust badge validates those of you with expertise in providing comprehensive detection, monitoring, and analytics and automation capabilities across the Splunk portfolio and delivering Zero Trust strategy and architecture. This badge will come with professional services shadowing opportunities as a key benefit. To start earning this badge, your teams can engage now by completing the Splunk Core Certified Power User, Splunk Enterprise Security Admin, and Splunk Phantom Admin certifications. Next, we'll be offering a Cloud Migration badge available mid-FY23. This badge will identify and feature Splunk partners with technical expertise in migrating customers from Splunk Enterprise to Splunk Cloud. For partners, the badge can help you differentiate and market your Splunk migration services capability across the globe. If you or your team hasn't yet begun the Splunk Core Certified Consultant certification course, start now so that you're ready for the cloud migration education path launching next year. Enrollment is available now for the Splunk Partner Portal, and we are thrilled to share that we also have an Authorized Learning Partner ALP badge available. Together with the Splunk Education Group, our mission is to build a community of learning partners who will expand our reach and scale globally to support Splunk adoption through education for customers, partners, and Splunkers alike. Splunk Authorized Learning Partners, or ALPs, are experts in the field of training and scalable education services and are hand-selected based on those of you with expertise in technical advancement in the learning industry. ALPs will market, sell, and deliver Splunk authorized training using your own resources or sell into Splunk's class schedules, all of which are needed to rapidly meet the increasing demand for Splunk training globally. ALPs bring the value add of localization, language, and cultural skills to bring Splunk education to more markets than we've ever been able to reach alone with Splunk education. And ALPs will be highlighted with this featured specialization badge. All the details on the new Splunk Partnerverse program, including these 3 badges and more, will be available in the Splunk Partner Portal. Keep your eyes out for further announcements on the incentives to get you mission ready for the new badging program. Your partner development managers will always have the latest information, and I encourage all of you to stay close to them. Partners, we have listened, we will continue to listen, we will continue to modify. I believe this new program will offer additional value and differentiation for your businesses and drive incredible outcomes for our customers. My call to action for all of you are, let's get geared up. Please start taking advantage of the new program early ahead of our broader rollout in February. Stay in touch with ongoing program news and incentive announcements. all delivered through our partner communications and partner portal, which Brooke is going to share with you next. I'm thrilled about our new Partnerverse, and I want to let you know the journey has just begun. Brooke, back to you.
Thanks, Bill. A lot of meaningful new value in the Splunk Partnerverse program. And we have a lot of tools and resources available to you today that you can start leveraging right away. Let's start with the Splunk Partner Portal, your gateway to the Partnerverse. In the first half of this year, over 10,000 partner users visited the Splunk Partner Portal over 93,000 times. And of those users, we welcomed 3,700 of you as new users. Now, that is just incredible engagement from all of you. The Splunk Partner Portal is the place for you to get all of the marketing and sales tools, enablement, and much more. So for those of you not leveraging the portal yet, now is the time. And earlier this year, we did refresh our partner communications to bring you a weekly partner pulse, a more succinct and timely curation of the latest and greatest from Splunk to keep you in the know. And later this year, we're going to activate a news on demand tool in the portal to allow you to subscribe to more relevant content and get that pushed for your areas of interest. Lastly, I want to encourage you to stay connected with us. In addition to the portal and Partner Pulse, we're publishing brief coffee break videos to keep you abreast of the latest program news and the badge availability. And get enabled. There's no time like the present. In addition to getting started earning your badges, we have new enablement tools for security, observability, cloud, and more. Plus, for those of you in technical roles, we run a regular Meet the Experts technical webcast. And you can always catch the recording if you can't join us live. And you can earn with Splunk by taking advantage of incentives. Bill referenced the speed to cloud and the referral incentives. We also have a cloud rebate and more to come with the new program. Find all of this and more in the Splunk Partner Portal. Now, before we wrap, I want to give a special shout out of appreciation to all of our amazing sponsors who help make .conf a success each and every year. Thank you. I encourage all of you to engage and network with each other in the partner zone. It's a great way to align and find opportunities to work together across partners, just like we shared in our 3 partner videos today. You'll be able to click into the partner zone from the top navigation bar on the event platform. And lastly, please take advantage of all of the interesting virtual programming we have, including so many breakout sessions featuring partners and customer speakers. Thank you for joining us today for our partner feature session at .conf 21.